Is copy trading actually profitable, or just hype? Today, I reveal my real results. I'll break down what worked, what didn't, and how Luma Exchange revolutionized my trading experience. I tested copy trading to seek proof, not promises. My goal was simple: see if it consistently generates profits in real market conditions. This wasn't about luck. It was about structure and discipline. Choosing the right platform was my first critical decision. Luma Exchange is a legitimate tool I use for crypto trading. It offers transparent trader stats, risk controls, and fast execution. This combination is ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. It provided a solid foundation for accurate testing. Now, let's discuss my actual results. Copy trading can indeed be profitable, but only with the right approach. Key factors include selecting the right traders, controlling risk effectively, removing emotions, and allowing trades to compound. By following this strategy on Luma Exchange, I found that copy trading became a reliable way to generate profits consistently, not overnight. One surprising outcome was decreased stress. Automated trades controlled losses effectively. The strategy remained consistent, even during volatile periods. This highlights why copy trading is the future of binary and copy trading. For beginners, remember this: copy trading isn't a shortcut to wealth. Rather, it's a smart entry point to learn while you earn. With the right mindset and a reliable platform, realistic and repeatable results are possible. If you're curious about whether copy trading works, check out Luma Exchange. Start applying the approach that has helped me profit with crypto. Right finger, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more honest trading results, beginner guides, and insight into the future of binary and copy trading.